camper, welcome to our camp. Today I want to show you one of my favorite and one of the most fun instruments to play, the harmonica. It's a small instrument that can even fit in your pocket, and once you learn how it works, it's a lot of fun to play. So let's figure out how it works. Here you can see 10 different holes that each have 10 different numbers above them. And when you blow into them, they each make a different sound. So the lower the number, the lower the sound. The higher the number, the higher the sound. Let's test out all the different notes real quick. When you're first beginning the harmonica, one of the best ways to hold it is by pinching each of the sides. And then when you become a little bit more advanced, you can wrap your left hand around and then clasp with your right hand. Once you've got your hand positions down, all you got to do is blow air in and out of the harmonica, just like you're breathing. So let's breathe out real quick. And then let's breathe in. And that's really all you got to know to get started. Now you can just make up your own music and just have fun with it. It's important to remember that it's going to take some practice to get better at playing the harmonica. And it's okay if it's taking some time. What matters is that you're having fun while learning how to play it. Well, I hope you have fun playing the harmonica. Thank you for coming to our camp. Please hurry back and I'll see you next time.